What's up, guys? No, that's not what we do.
You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah.
This is gonna be a Target wash day. Well, a Target style day, because the girl already washed her hair. But, so on my hair right now, I have my Alikay. Oof, goodness, the wash day, his hair be all over the place. So I have my Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner. Y'all know how much I love this stuff. I got the big old bottle. The reason why I also have this is because I figured probably be best with all of these stylers. We can only hope. So that's my rationale. All right, so the first styler that I'm going to use today, you know what? I'm most excited about this one. The Doe Cream Twist and Curl Cream for curling and defining the perfect twist out. I'm excited to try this one. This is huge, oh my God. This is a 16 fluid ounce, and I'll put the price right here because we're all about affordability. Again, this is all from Target. First 5 ingredients is water, benzimonium multisulfate, so that means it has slip in my opinion. Cetyl alcohol, I don't know what that one is, and safflower oil. This is not the healthiest thing, but you know, because it has some dyes in here, which, why? What color is it? Okay. Super thick, as you can see, just a little bit. This is very creamy. Feels like butter. Like, honestly, like margarine. It is already clumping my curls, which I can appreciate. And it has a little bit of hydration, just a little tad, a little bit. Okay, sis. All right. Let's see. So, what it do? I like that. It says it defines and elongates twist outs and curls. It hydrates and strengthens protective styles to aid in length retention and drives soft and silky. Soft and silky may mean no hold. Okay, we're gonna see. But so far, the first twist looks really juicy. It's looking good. No complaints here. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist up that side, and then we'll go to the other styler. Okay, so all the twists are in for the Doe Cream. Am I saying that right? The Doe, the Dew? I don't know. I really liked how creamy this was and very buttery, so can't wait to see how this dries. All right, next is going to be the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream with pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. Long names per usual. So it looks like I have their, what is it? Custard? Is it a twisting custard? No, defining custard. Sorry, it's underneath me. I have their defining custard, which I use as a twisting cream, as a twisting product, and I love it. And I realized that their products always smells good. And I realized I never tried their twisting cream. So super affordable. This is what it looks like. It is super thick, as you can see. Yep, super creamy. Ooh, can't wait. All right, first 5 ingredients are, where are you? Water, shea butter, glycerin, cetyl alcohol, and coconut oil. So yes, there's coconut oil in here. If you're new to my channel, then you won't know that I don't like coconut oil. However, I make exceptions sometimes, especially sometimes your hair can change, so sure. So it has long-lasting hold, so we're gonna be seeing that. Non-flaky, non-sticky, non-greasy, provides crunch-free, soft, and shiny curls. All things that I like to hear. So I'm gonna put them back here. This is applying very smooth and creamy. Okay. I can immediately feel the hydration, so I can appreciate that for sure. A little bit of this goes a long way, so I think I might have used too much because my hair already feels a little heavy. This is just for my low porosity, low density, fine strand girls and gents, just to beware. Just a little bit of this definitely goes a long way. It's very potent and creamy. And yeah, how big is this? I think this is 8 ounce. Oh no, I lied. This is 11.5 ounce, and I'll put the price right there. Ooh, so far These twists are feeling a lot more moisturized than the dew, but you know, it's the end results for me, so we'll really go. All right, so for this section, we're gonna be pulling out the Camille Rose Almond Dry Twisting Butter, Sweet Almond Milk, and Honey. This is what it looks like. And this is also very creamy. Like, turn over, super creamy. It's definitely like frosting and smells like frosting. The first 5 ingredients in this is water, benchmollium multisulfate, cetyl alcohol, almond milk, and almond oil. So if you're allergic to nuts, girl, just X this out. Okay, this has tons of oils. It has pumpkin oil, sesame oil, macadamia nut oil. Yes, girl, if you got nut allergies. I mean, it says it on the almond dry. So I've used this before, but I wasn't sure if I liked it. It's in my stash, but this is me revisiting it to really see what it do, because I don't know. So we're gonna see right now. I know that this can also be used as a leave-in conditioner. I mean, I have the Alikay Naturals leave-in conditioner on my hair right now. I don't know if I can see this as a leave-in conditioner. I feel like I have to put on a lot so far on my hair to even get the moisture that this section had. But, you know, again, I had a pretty hard time with this twisting cream. I felt like I had to put a whole bunch, and I'm only literally just doing the section. I had to put a whole bunch to kind of make my hair feel like it had the moisture and the slip to twist. Like, it just felt like it wasn't enough on my hair, and I just kept putting more and more, which is saying a lot because my hair is already thinner, and I was just like, scoop, scoop, scoop. And I think this is probably the most expensive one out of the bunch, if I'm not mistaken. And so this is also an 8 ounce. So I feel like if I have to put a whole bunch and I have lower density hair, then imagine if I did my whole head, and imagine those that are heavy-handed or with thicker hair than me. So I don't know what happened. So the last section is going to be the As I Am Classic Twisting Defining Cream with sunflower oil, castor oil, almond, sugar beetroot, and don't know what that is, for shiny smoothie twist and twist out. This one's more liquidy, so I'm definitely not gonna tilt it over. It's creamy, but definitely a lot more jiggly. You know what that made me think of? Jigglypuff. What was that? Pokemon? Don't ask me where that came from. So anyway, the first 5 ingredients are, ooh, packaging, can't read. Water, glycerin, acetamide, MEA, that doesn't sound good. Betaine, oh no, this does not sound good, honey. And then it gets into the sunflower oil, castor oil, coconut oil, okay. Okay. This doesn't feel like it's gonna have moisture, but it might have some hold. Y'all see? Do y'all see? Just the definition. Okay. Yo, I have a real candid question to ask y'all, and let me know if it's just me. If you wear glasses, or if you're still wearing a mask, because I ain't gonna judge, are you experiencing breakage right here? Like, for me wearing glasses, it always gets stuck. Oh my god, this is so annoying. It always gets stuck, and then it's also being reinforced with wearing glasses and then a mask. I'm experiencing breakage right there. Let me know in the comments below if you also kind of have like breakage or shorter hair at the sides due to either the mask or wearing glasses, because the struggle. Okay, so yeah, so this is a heavier cream. Did I say how big this was? This is an 8 ounce, and the price will be on the screen. The fact that this cream and the Camille Rose are both 8 ounces, and I don't have to use the fraction of what I just used for the Camille Rose for this one, is beyond me. This is a thick cream for sure, even though it's not thick, you know, when you look at it. Okay, y'all, we have to talk. We have to talk. Okay, so let's just go in order from what we tried, right? So the dough cream, the twist. You know what I just peeped? The cream stands for the ingredients in it. Like, what? Can y'all see that? So the C stands for coconut, the R stands for rose water, the E stands for vitamin E, the A stands for avocado, and the M stands for manure. Like, that was actually very smart, but neither here nor here because it doesn't matter. So this one was the back section, right? And I already like kind of fluffed and zhuzhed my hair. Go off to the clips right here, but this is not my favorite at all. Out of all four, it's not the driest. It's probably the third. This is the third driest. Okay, so it's not horrible. It's just too soft. It's not gonna last at all. Even though I appreciate how big this is, it's not my favorite. I don't know if they have a leave-in conditioner that would have been better associated with this, but I don't like to pile up so many products on my hair. Like, us little density girls, you know, like I don't like to do that. So I wish this had more, but it's not. So I don't think I like this, so this will be returning. Yes, I return things to Target because that's what the policy is for. All right, moving to the back section again, which was the Cream of Nature Twisting Cream. So I can feel the moisture. So actually, yes, this is the second driest, okay? It's not ridiculously dry. I can still feel the moisture. It's not horrible. The definition is there, but it's, again, not going to last, right? So I really like my twist outs to last somewhat, some fashion, somehow, girl, like, because that's the whole point of doing a style, right? So it's not the worst, but it's not the best either. But if you want something affordable, accessible, something to just quickly twist up your hair, girl and gents, I like this one. Am I keeping it? No. But do I like it? Yes. Moving to this section, which I am the most disappointed in. Y'all, I'm so disappointed. The Camille Rose Almond Dry. I'm so disappointed. Do y'all see how dry my hair looks? These lights will fool you, okay? My hair is bone dry, has no shine to it, no definition, no hold, and this actually says that you can use this as a leave-in conditioner too. This has no moisture. This is the driest section of my hair. This is the driest. This is the driest. I love Camille Rose, but this is not for me. And no wonder this has been sitting on my shelf for a while because I was like, oh, maybe it's just me. And let me say this before someone comments and be like, but you didn't try it with the moisture milk. I have, off camera. I think I've done did I do a video? I did a video on the moisture milk. I don't like the moisture milk. But when I did have it and I had this too, I paired it together and I didn't like it. It didn't give me moisture. So, I don't know. It's just not for me. And I think all of the oils may have just sucked the life out of my hair. I don't know. This is my least favorite, unfortunately. So the As I Am Classic Twist Defining Cream. I am shocked at this. Did y'all see how it's separated? Like, it's by far the shiniest. It's also by far the most moisturized out of all four, which is good. The only thing is that it's not going to last per se. However, I was being very, very generous with my application. So I feel like if I apply a little bit more, it might have some hold. So this one I have high hopes for sure. I also might pick up either their leave-in conditioner or I think they have a hair milk that I would pair with this to give it an extra, you know what I mean? I feel like that's gonna be bomb, like crazy bomb. So this is my favorite. It's the smallest of the bunch, but packs the most, like moisture, definition, shine. Like, I actually really like it. Alright guys, I hope this video helped you with just trying different twisting creams. I'm so disappointed in Camille Rose. I thought it was gonna be hitting too. Like, so I don't know. Let me know, for all the ones that I tried, have you tried them before? Do you feel the same? Do you have another twisting cream at Target, because I need something accessible, that is bomb, that you think I should try if I haven't tried it already? But yeah, let me know in the comments below. I love talking to y'all, so go ahead and do that. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.